What is going on, everybody? Richard, Pandemic Fishing. You know what it is. You know what we're doing. Today's something different. Something very different. I am not in my boat. I am actually in a real boat, a real bass boat. I got my man, Christian Ostrander.
What's going on?
Guide out here on the Delta. He is going to teach us. He's going to show us. He's going to give us some of that basic knowledge on how to be a better angler out here on the water. I got my man, Reggie, on the boat with me as well. So I told you guys before, we're going to try to do some of these windy Wednesday nighters next year. And I want to be competitive. So I came out here with the guy who's going to teach us how to be competitive. All right?
Absolutely.
So, tell us about what we're gonna do here.
Yeah, you know, it's mid-November, so it's a little bit different than summer fishing. A little chilly. Still catching fish, chatterbaits, jerkbaits, A-rigs, Senkos, same stuff. Just gotta find these areas they're moving to their winter holes. So we're just running around all over. We're gonna cover a ton of water and we're gonna catch some nice fish. So
yeah, so unfortunately for you guys, I'm not gonna give you everything. I'm not gonna give you everything, but I'm gonna give you a little bit. We're gonna try to bring you guys some good action here, and hopefully we can have an exciting day. So, Reggie, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, we ready. We ready to get into it? Let's go. Let's catch some fish.
heck yeah.
I need a 12-inch screen. You see this thing?
No, man,
Oh my God.
Don't look that big.
Is it a 16?
Dude, I had
Oh,
to get it.
dude.
All the buddies had it. I'm like, come on, man. Yeah. Well, we're going to fish hard today. I don't got a ton. We got to be off the water. Hopefully you guys don't either.
I know I don't.
Good. Well, we'll fish hard. Yeah, those Wednesday nighters are a lot of fun.
Yeah, I've been watching those guys, man. I'm like, oh man, that looks so good. That looks so fun.
It's fun.
See Caleb out there? He fishes the Delta a lot.
Yeah. He works too much, yeah.
I like his dad, man. His dad is so cool. He just kind of hangs out and goes with the flow.
Exactly. Follow one back by that sailboat. A lot of work kind of casting this.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Nice. Okay.
There we go.
What do we got here? Oh, a little bud. We like those.
Oh, little bud.
Heck yeah.
All right. Dude, we off to a good start.
Yeah, little ones. I've had days in these marinas the last couple of weeks. You catch 3 at once. It's wild. You only have 3 hooks on the dumb A-rig.
Yeah. You see how I threw that back, Reggie?
Oh, we beat 'em? Come on, man. We just trying to survive, okay? We like eating them. We catch some stripes, we can put them in the well.
Oh, God.
Good. Way over there by the dock. You got that sucker? Yeah.
My grandson,
Let it sink.
he had to drop the fishing pole.
Yeah. Yeah,
He was 5.
yeah. He got it on there, that fish pull. He's like, he didn't want it, he didn't want no parts of it.
A little windy out there. Oh, I got a couple chasing. Look at him.
There he is, yep.
Yeah.
Got him. I got him. I saw him.
Cool. Look at the one. There was one.
You run right behind it.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's gonna run over here.
That's the fun of LiveScope. I have it on my boat too.
Nice. It's a pain in the butt to get used to.
It is, but once you get it dialed in,
Yeah,
oh man.
it's hard.
So how long did it take you to learn LiveScope?
You know, it's hard. You know, everyone thinks that you plug it in and you're ready to roll.
Yeah, no.
It took me quite a few months of staring. I'm still not that good at it. I'm not that good at it.
It serves its purpose.
Yeah.
So the voltage is giving you more clarity.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, one of the things that LiveScope did teach me is the fact that when you thought you were retrieving slow, you were not retrieving slow.
Yeah.
Like,
Real
oh,
shallow over there. Crappy grass over there.
there we go.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, you do. Running sideways. You're a good one, crying out loud.
Nah, he's not that good.
Oh, not bad. That's not bunch of them.
He's not
falling.
bad.
Oh, a little chubby one. You like those? One time, right
bad.
here, right off this point of this dock,
Mm-hmm.
I hooked one on a jerkbait that was about that size. An 11-pounder.
Oh, just came up.
11-pounder ate that little one.
Oh, wow.
And then somehow the jerkbait, one came off the jerkbait,
And kept the big one?
went inside the big one's mouth.
That's,
We got him. The biggest one out here, right here.
that's nice.
10.5 pounds.
That's nice.
It's, yeah, you know, the ultimate dream, a 10-pound bass. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, not that easy.
There we go.
Not that easy.
No, because shoot.
That's a little better.
Shoot, mine was only 6 and I thought it was a monster.
Yeah. Not a bad one right there. You like this?
Oh shoot, yeah.
That's a
this-
good one.
Yeah. We out here.
Morning.
Morning.
You know, I'll take it. Oh, he's-
Oh, we're catching a few.
no, he tore it up too.
It's
Yeah.
cold.
That's
It's
a nice one.
cold. Yeah, I just thought it was better back here.
All right, Reggie, you on? Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a striper. Yeah, he got his striper. Yeah.
Nice one.
That's a keep.
We're eating that one.
Yeah. They got a nice striper, Reggie. Got a nice striper.
All right.
We said get the net.
Here we go again.
All right, Reggie's on again.
Reggie's on.
Are you sure you got a fish there?
It's a striper.
You never know.
It'd be nice if it was a bass. It's a bass. It
It-
might come
Nice
home.
bass. You got two.
Oh, that's a.
big bass. He's got two big bass.
Go ahead. Get that. I got this.
Oh, damn.
Oh, he got two. He got two nice ones.
Oh, damn.
Woo! Damn, Reggie!
I'm sorry. I'm keeping these.
Whoa!
Oh, damn.
Look at that fatty.
Damn.
Look
This
at
is my
them
best
fat.
day
Look
out.
at them fat. Look at how fat that fish is.
Oh,
2-1
damn.
count.
That looks like a grown-up crappie.
Look.
Jeez.
That's a nice 2.5 right there. Look at that.
That one
Look
is
how
bigger.
fat.
That's cool.
That's a 3.5 right there.
We're gonna get some nice pics.
They hit together.
Oh, look at that.
Look at how fat that one is.
Fatty. He's been eating.
That's a three something. Look at that one.
Yeah.
That's a big old cub.
That was fun.
Oh.
2 at a time. Does that happen a lot?
Every day.
Hey, well, with Christian, of course.
Wow.
Thinks it's gonna stay alive.
Oh, I just got snatched.
Yeah, look at them all following this big. Oh, you got it.
He didn't get it. That's
Hold it over here. Yeah.
yeah. He over here. Oh, now you trying to hook set now. Huh? oh, now you are now you got the hook set going on. Okay. Oh, got him. I got him. Oh God. Oh, this is a nice one too. Oh, I got him. Oh, this is a nice one too. Oh. Oh, I got two.
We got two over here. We got two.
Oh, look at this. Hey.
Nice one right there.
Hey, look at that. Christian. Get with Christian. And you'll be getting these. Look, we doubling up over here.
Tripling up.
That's what we talking about.
Yeah, we're putting that one in the well.
Put that one in the well. That's the showfish. Oh my goodness.
Like my little hole over there.
My goodness.
Whoops.
Ooh.
I got something going on here. No, it's that one.
Yeah. He's a little one.
We'll slide him over here.
So when you're fishing, you have your bank, and then you have an open lane where there's no vegetation. Then you got a row of vegetation. Then you got an outside ledge.
Yeah,
Do you like to fish the outside ledge or the inside, or does it just depend on where they're set up?
It just kind of depends, but they like being close to deep water. Those really big tubs like being close to deep water.
Yeah.
We're gonna kind of just feather around.
Ooh, 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 that's probably a striper. But oh my goodness. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, oh, it's a striper. Yeah, I thought he was a striper. Oh my goodness, he smacked that thing.
That's a big one strike. That's a big strike.
Oh, it's a big dude. I told you guys, Christian's the man. Look at this. We on the stripers.
Look at that. That's a big one.
We on the stripers.
Look at that one. That's a
Look how
dang
fat.
one. That's a big one.
Nice.
We getting them.
That's a big one.
It's about a pound and a half.
Yeah, whatever. Give me this thing.
Oh my gosh. He smacked it.
I like this, man.
Not every day is like this.
It's your birthday. I mean, it's your anniversary.
5 years.
You know, it's supposed to be a good day on your anniversary.
That was cool. We gotta hit a couple more schools like that.
Yeah, that was sweet.
We're gonna hit a few. We gotta do some running around.
There you go.
Little one.
The enemy is here.
The enemy is here.
Abort feeding, abort.
I'm telling you, that's what's going on.
They're swallowing it though.
They,
Okay, jerkbait.
They know about that alien now.
It's like, I'm not falling for the school.
Watch this, you're gonna have this rod, little rod. I don't know which way you prefer.
I go both ways. Oh my God!
They're nice hard rips, and yeah, it's very good. Just like that, man. Just like that. And those, sometimes the biggest ones kind of will grab that jerkbait.
So you prefer a shorter rod with a jerk, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Nice little short rod right there.
Is it?
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. That could be a good one. We like that jerkbait.
Yeah.
That looks like a nice fish. That's cool. See what's up here. Nice
Oh yeah, he's nice. Oh, he's nice.
Golly. We're down there. Look at that nice little fatty right there.
You got him. You got him. You hooked him good.
Nice.
Oh,
See, we changed.
oh yeah.
We
Changed up on him.
If you want to keep calling that, you can. I got this little deal.
I want to try something different.
All right, look at that.
Oh, he got every hook in it. He got all 3 hooks in his face.
All right, what do you got? Okay. How do I fish this?
I'm going to show you. Go ahead and reel it out, throw it out there. Nice back in that
You got
hole.
the pliers?
I got something here.
Thank you, sir. That'll work.
Yeah, nice. Just gotta let it go to the bottom.
Oh, so
And you're going to reel it like 5 cranks and then stop for about 2-3 seconds. And then reel it 5 cranks. Yep. Good one. We like those.
Cranks?
We like those.
We like this.
Yeah, we're good.
But this,
Nice.
is this, what is this, a 6'2"? 6'3"? Is this a 6?
That rod's a 7.2.
Is it a 7?
Yeah, that rod's 550. That rod's an expensive rod. I like that rod though.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh no,
I think it's
that's
a
a gar.
fish.
Yep. Ooh, damn. I think he's in some grass too, so he's a little one, but he's,
When I start hitting his face first like that, he kind of had it in the front. See when they're
Yeah.
hitting it? See, he's got the front of it in its mouth. That's when they.
yeah, that's when they really aggressive.
Yes. So I always grab them like this.
Okay,
So this is the deal. So you let him go.
okay,
You grab that fish on his gills. You grab that fish hard right there.
okay.
That fish will never move. Never
Ah.
move. Once you pinch the end of their gills where it meets their body,
Okay.
that fish will never move, whether it's a 10-incher or a 5-pounder. Even
That-
yeah, that thing's
Now, does
never
that-
gonna move.
Does that count for stripers too?
Yeah.
If you can get them.
If you can get them. If you can get them, man, them things are too pokey.
This
Thought about it.
rod is
Yeah, look at that.
ridiculous. Dude.
That's pretty cool. I got JerkBait too. You want to try one of them? Oh, I love that LV, man. I just reel it like that. Do a little grass and kind of just rip it around. So you might have grass, you might not.
Oh shoot.
Alright, I got you, JerkBait.
He's a little one, but I tried to rip his face off. I tried to rip his face off. You saw I tried to rip his face off?
There you go.
All right, he did not move. You're absolutely right.
Little spots. The little JerkBait.
Jesus Christ.
Yep, just like that. Just twitch that thing around and.
Ooh, there we go. It's a better one. He's just, yeah, yeah. He's like, fuck it. I quit. He's like,
that sucker right in them gills hard. You got to get your hands on him like that, yeah. And he's yours. Yeah, throw that thing around.
oh man. Nice. So all you people out there don't want to fish in the in the cold, you're missing out. All right, about to try another successful spot. That was fun. That was fun. I was just running these banks the other day. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. All right, Reggie's on. Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Little jerkbait action. It's 2.5. It's a nice one. Probably caught up in that grass too. That's a nice one. It's a nice winter bass. Oh, it is.
I can't win with you.
No, that's a good thing. All right, on the spot. Number 3. Wasn't. That's all right. I'll get some more.
We're gonna get some toads. Don't let us kind of hit the dock, man. If there's no grass, there's not as much grass because these trees.
Right.
See, most of the day, it's all shaded, so no grass grows up there by them trees or underneath docks. I don't know if you got one or what. It might be a little guy you got on there. I think you got something, or no? Yeah.
That's a trip. You saw it before I did. Oh, he got a mouth full of hooks. Look at this.
Yeah, dang it.
All right. Reggie's on it. That was a nice fat one. Oh, that's a real nice one. Woo! Shoot, that's bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah, the way he took made it harder to bring in. Yeah, these little hooks get into everything.
Oh, I had one. That's a nice one. He's almost 3. Nice. Nice.
We're gonna get some bigger ones.
Whatever, because that thing, this right here, this Daiwa Tatula.
So everywhere I go, I just take a picture of it. And
Oh my God, this thing is like smooth. It's like, this is like fishing with a bubba knife.
so far, the 2 I've used, I like them both.
Yeah.
I've always been pretty good
And
at the bait caster.
I've had one. It just,
I used to set coffee cans out.
yep. He's a little one. If he's even in there. Nah.
Coming up.
Oh yeah, he's a little one.
Reggie, you're hooked up there. Oh, we're out of here. Oh, we're out of here.
I just cast it out to clear the line out.
All right, cool.
You got more, but I didn't buy me a few more now.
Huh?
Shut up.
Right. Little guys. You just hit it for just.
Yeah, I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
See, you get a little too comfortable. See. This is punching.
So you have weed guards on your hook?
Well, you have it. See.
Oh, gotcha. All right.
I've got the hook buried. You sit back there and think about what you did. Oh, come on, I didn't even know you was there. Oh, I do. All right, Reg, which one you want? You want the chatter or the jerk?
A fish is fish. What's the chatterbait?
That's a chatterbait.
How do you work that?
Just a vibrating jig. You just retrieve.
I think you should, or whoever. I don't
Okay.
know.
Now, are you rolling it on the bottom?
You just
Are you
throw it up here on this bank? Well, Reggie, I want Reggie to be able to pass too, though. But kind of.
Now, how would is your retrieve faster, or are you trying to get it toward the bottom?
Just like that. And that's my favorite color. We try to improve fish on that yesterday.
Okay, and I'm using.
I don't throw the chatterbait as much as I probably should. Caught a few on it. Good ones. It does.
Little wind blowing up on it.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yep.
There you go. That's gotta be a good one.
Yeah, he's out. He don't have a hole.
Oh, that's a nice
Yeah,
one.
that's a good one. Yeah, this. Yeah, he's a. Ooh. Oh, he's a nice one.
Yeah. All right. You like that? Look at that stuff in here.
Ooh, yeah.
Look at
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Down in chatter.
there. We'll put him in the well.
Put him in a box. Get you a guide like Christian and get fish like that in the catch fish like that in the fall transition. Whoever did. Got it. Okay. Okay. That's some big ass fish in the warp field. One just jumped off in the water. Wow. They out here chilling. Wow. Wow. Crazy. All right, so we got a after midday update. It's been a good day. My man Christian over here has put us on the fish
We had some fun.
all day. All day.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Couple of
Yeah.
fatties.
We got the variety pack going on over here. So we've caught some nice bass. We've doubled up on bass out here throwing some lures around. We've got them punching. Well, I lost one punching. We've got them on pretty much a variety of good baits, and we actually got into a couple of salmon too, some big ones. So hopefully I got some good footage of that. Yeah, my man over here, Reg, he hooked into a couple. I got a real big one, so yeah, it's been great. It's been great, man. We appreciate it.
No, I'm having a good time.
But we're not done. We still got some stuff to do. It has been absolutely fantastic. We're just covering water. So I know I'm gonna do this again, but Christian, tell tell them how they can get a hold of you, man.
You know what? You can message me, Instagram, Facebook, Christian Ostrander Fishing, or give me a call. My phone number is 209-648-3778. Love to take you guys out here and run around on the Delta. Appreciate it.
If you want some knowledge, some information, if you're a novice or intermediate fisherman and you want some information on the types of bait you should throw in certain situations and how to look for and what to look for, this is the man right here. He's gonna let you know. I'm not gonna tell you. So if you want the guide service and the teaching service that I got, you call that man right there.
Appreciate it. Find out. I ain't never caught something bad in my life.
Yeah, so my man Reggie, he's a fisherman, been fishing with me for a number of years. He's fishing way before we met. And today he's caught more bass than he's caught before.
Yeah.
So that ought to tell you something. And I've been out here, you guys have seen my videos and lack thereof of fish catching. Today, surpassed all of that. It's all because we went out with this man right here. So if you want to have some fun, but you also want to learn some stuff, check out my man. He's gonna take care of you guys. So I'll drop his information in the comment section as well. We're gonna get back to fishing. Peace. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. I knew it. As soon as I saw him do like this, he was ready. All right, our day is done. We had a great day out here on the water. Well, my man Christian, this may not be the last time we head out with him, but right now, me and my man Reg had a great time. We got some stripers, we got some bass, we limited. Couldn't ask for a better day. So,
what else?
yeah.
They were in the water.
We got some salmon too. We got some big ones. So, yeah, we had a good time. So now I just got to put all this knowledge together and go out here and have some fun. So,
Christian, make it. He's still out there.
I appreciate it, man. We appreciate it very much.
Yes, sir.
Once again, don't forget to give my man the best on the business. We're gonna catch y'all later. You know what it is and you know what we just did. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.